Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to adjust audio volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're working with background music, dialogue, or sound effect, controlling volume is key to a professional edit. So, with that being known, let's dive in. Now, step one is that we're going to adjust this directly on the timeline. Now, if you want to adjust this volume, because this audio here is already a matured, it's a finished editing video for wedding, my friend's wedding. Alright, so I'm just going to do that. It's going to be destructive, but I'm just going to do that for you to know. Now, if you look here very well, once you drag this, you see that the audio panel becomes so big. So this white line that is on the parallel length is your audio. So if you want to either increase it or reduce it, that's how you can do it directly from timeline. So let me leave it here and play. You will be the one here. You see how harsh it is? Now if I drag it down, this was where it was. You see the difference? If I drag it below, you see the difference? So this, adjusting this up and down for audio effects, for sound background music, you need to adjust it down, and you can also use effects like this. Use this effects to make adjustment. Let me zoom it. So you use effects to make it, and then you use this to mark where you're going to draw up or draw down in terms of the audio. Alright, so you see, I'm either going up or going down. This will help you to have a balancing in equation in terms of the audio. That is the first one. The second one is to go to the audio effect control panel. Now let's return everything to where they were. Now you first need to unlink them, leaving just audio. So you go to the control panel, you will see only that of the audio because you are selecting the audio. Now here you see that our dB is showing -5. I think that's because I reduced it. Alright, so you see I have increased it. Now whether you want to go up or go down is a matter of you drawing it back or drawing it front. Alright, so this is how you can adjust the volume. Now if it is a channel volume, you also do up or do down. So you can individually adjust the volume of your audio and all of that. So the last in this segment is going to audio mixer. So from here now, we have the audio mixer, which will help you to, it's still on the control panel here. You just click on this side to see all that you have. You have the audio mixer. So here allows you to adjust them individually, either up or down and all of that. So audio 1, audio 2, depending on this, we only have one audio channel. That's why it's only this one that is showing. So any adjustment you do affects the whole audio that is here. So with that, you are good to go. So if you want to adjust this audio, you do that so that you don't have to make it too much or too loud. Just make it and make sure your ear is hearing it perfectly in order to get it done. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I believe you know how to adjust volume in Premiere Pro using the timeline effect, the effect control, and then also the audio mixer. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what you want us to do on Premiere Pro tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.